Every new week is a blank canvas. And today, Monday, is your brush. With the right mindset, you can paint a masterpiece of success, strength, and unstoppable energy. Hello, how are you? Welcome back to Awaken Minds. It's Monday, the start of a brand new week, a chance to reset, recharge, and step into your power with clarity and purpose. Monday isn't just another day, it's your foundation. How you begin this day shapes the rhythm of your entire week. Step 1. Reset your mind. Forget the setbacks of last week. They are lessons, not limits. Close the door to yesterday's doubts and open the door to today's possibilities. Step 2. Step into power. Power doesn't mean force, it means focus. Begin your week with intention. Write down your top 3 priorities and commit to them with full energy. Step 3. Live with purpose. Purpose is the fuel that keeps you moving when motivation fades. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? When your why is clear, the how becomes unstoppable. This Monday is not just about surviving, it's about creating, building, and setting the tone for a week filled with growth. So remember, reset your mind, step into your power, and live with purpose. Mondays are not obstacles, they're opportunities. And this one is yours to claim. Alright, my friend, that's it for today. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.